Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the greatest stories ever told, the Odyssey, the legendary Greek epic written by Homer. This is not just a story of adventure, but a journey of courage, intelligence, temptation, loss, and homecoming. So sit back, and let's begin the epic voyage of Odysseus. Crossed swords. What is the Odyssey? The Odyssey is an ancient Greek epic poem that follows the hero Odysseus, king of Ithaca, as he tries to return home after the Trojan War. While the war lasted 10 years, Odysseus' journey home took another 10 long years, filled with monsters, gods, betrayal, and destiny. Desert Island. The journey begins. After the fall of Troy, Odysseus sets sail with his loyal crew. But from the very beginning, trouble follows him. Wave. The wrath of Poseidon. Odysseus angers Poseidon, the god of the sea, by blinding his son, the Cyclops Polyphemus. From that moment on, Poseidon vows to make Odysseus' journey a living nightmare. The Cyclops Polyphemus. Odysseus and his men are trapped in a cave by the giant Cyclops. Using his intelligence, Odysseus tricks the monster by calling himself Nobody. When Polyphemus is blinded and cries for help, he says, "Nobody is attacking me, and no one comes." This moment shows Odysseus' greatest strength, his mind, not his muscles. Woman mage Circe and the Island of Magic. On the island of Circe, a powerful sorceress turns Odysseus' men into pigs. With help from the god Hermes, Odysseus resists her magic and forces Circe to restore his crew. He stays on the island for a year, enjoying comfort and temptation, but destiny calls him back to sea. Crystal Ball. Journey to the Underworld. Odysseus travels to the underworld to seek guidance from the prophet Tiresias. Here, he learns that the road home will be painful and that pride will be his greatest enemy. This is one of the darkest and most emotional moments of the epic. Musical notes. The Sirens, Scylla and Charybdis. To survive the Sirens' deadly song, Odysseus plugs his crew's ears with wax and ties himself to the mast so he can hear the song without dying. Later, he must choose between two horrors: Scylla, a six-headed monster; Charybdis, a deadly whirlpool. Odysseus sacrifices a few men to save the rest, a brutal reminder that leadership often comes with loss. Cloud with lightning. Zeus's punishment. Against Odysseus' warning, his crew kills the sacred cattle of Helios, the sun god. Zeus punishes them by destroying the ship with a storm. Odysseus is the only survivor. Crown. Return to Ithaca. After years of suffering, Odysseus finally reaches home, but Ithaca is not the same. Greedy suitors have taken over his palace, trying to marry his faithful wife Penelope. Disguised as a beggar, Odysseus tests their cruelty. With the help of his son Telemachus, he reveals his true identity and defeats all the suitors in a legendary battle. Red Heart. Reunion and ending. Penelope, cautious and intelligent, tests Odysseus one final time. When he proves his identity, they reunite at last. After 20 years, the warrior finally finds peace, not through strength, but through patience, wisdom, and endurance. Glowing star. Why the Odyssey still matters. The Odyssey teaches us that intelligence is more powerful than brute force. Pride can destroy even the greatest heroes. Home is not just a place, it's a purpose. This story has inspired movies, books, and legends for thousands of years, and it still resonates today. If you enjoyed this epic story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more legendary movie and story breakdowns. Comment below, would you survive Odysseus' journey? See you in the next video. High voltage.